Oops. Hi guys, this is Jinx. Isn't he adorable? He's my new kitty, my new black cat. My baby. Yes, you're my baby too. Mister is very jealous. Come on. This is Mister. This is Jinx. My babies. Okay. Everybody gone. Today I'm doing a video. Or at this moment, today I'm doing a few videos. But at this moment, I'm doing a video on a healing incense. I've been working on this recipe for a while to cover quite a few things. I'm not going to go into all the details because it's for a client. But I am going to say I wanted to include you. So the first thing I'm going to add, getting my little herb scoop, is some calendula. I want to add some calendula, a good amount. I'm probably going to add 2 of those. Calendula is good for all kinds of healing, but especially stomach, as is the next ingredient, which is, started to say comfrey. It's not comfrey. Chamomile. And for chamomile, I'm going to add 3. Because this particular set of clients needs stomach healing. So I'm going to definitely add quite a few chamomile. The next thing I'm going to add, this is a loose incense recipe that you burn in charcoal, is some, which I need to get more of, some sage. Sage for the protection qualities and the cleansing qualities. And I know it looks like I'm adding a lot, but I'm making a big jar here. So I may have to switch. I may have to switch up my mortar and pestle. This is the one I like to use for healing. This is lavender. I'm adding that to bring calm and peace, and I'm adding 4 of those. My kitty is very vocal, and we thought of naming him a name that was vocal, but Jinx just fit really well. This is one of my very favorite herbs in the world, especially to burn. Pennyroyal. Pennyroyal is a great herb for skin disorders, skin inflictions, and I know this person has their family, people in their family have an eczema issue, so we're going to use that. And the last ingredient is crushed up bay leaves. And we don't need a ton of those. They spark when they burn, so we don't want to be crazy with them. Because we definitely don't want to scare the hell out of these people when they burn their incense. Now, I do not think I can crush this up in my mortar and pestle as much as is in here. So I'm going to grab a bowl or a container of some sort. Here we go. This will work. And split it so that I have room to grind. Let me make sure this is cleaned up. Ooh, a little dusty. Okay. So I'm just going to transfer some of this to that one so that I can work on it. So we just, wrong pestle. So we just crush. Remember, when you use a mortar and pestle, you push and turn. You push and turn. That's how you crush. You don't, a lot of people want to do this, and that's mix. You're mixing when you do that. When you want to crush, you twist and turn. And I don't want to do a ton of crushing. This is a loose incense. Oh my God, the aroma. So I want to keep it fairly whole, but crushed enough they can burn it, especially that calendula, because we get big pieces of that. I wish they had smell-o-vision because the lavender and the calendula in there are just, oh, amazing together. I'm going to add a little more from my stockpile here. One thing you never, ever, ever want to put is a clove whole. The reason being, they pop. Now, it's not a bad thing if you're in an outdoor area where it's okay if something pops out of the fire. But if you're in the house and that pops out and hits the carpet, you're in trouble. So you don't want to add whole cloves to a burning incense, a loose incense. You want to add clove powder and just a tad at that. Okay. Now I think what I'm going to do is crush the other half in this one, and then I can mix them all together. Try to get those leaves as small as you can get them, the bay leaves, because like I said, they do spark, and we just don't want to scare people with that spark. Okay, so once you get it crushed up, then all you have to do is mix it. So I'm going to do this, and this, and I'm just going to do that a little bit till I get it good and mixed. It's just fitting that I'm using the marble one because that marble one was my mother-in-law's, and she was a great healer, this woman. I shouldn't say was, I should say is. She's an amazing healer after death. Much more than you would have ever expected in life out of her. She is just a miraculous person. This is not mixing too well, so I'm going to have to get a baggie. But I have to put it in a baggie anyway, so that's no big deal. So that is our healing incense. It's a loose incense that you burn on charcoal in a charcoal burner. If you need further instruction on that, let me know. I'd be happy to do a video showing you how to burn it. So that is our healing incense we've made. I'm going to do some more videos. Be right back. Bye, guys.